Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, play around with it a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with macaroni salad. I'm just making a classic deli macaroni salad. Pretty basic. We're just going to add some macaroni, cooked al dente about 6 to 7 minutes to where it's not too soft and it holds its shape. We've got about half of an egg, hard-boiled egg. Got a little bit of celery. We have a little bit of carrot. They don't have what I've noticed, there's not a lot of color. It's white. The classic deli macaroni salad is just kind of white, so whatever. So I'm gonna add a little love here. Little salt. I'm just gonna give it a quick toss. You can add a little bit more mayo if you want. This dressing here is just some mayo, vinegar, and a little bit of sugar, because deli macaroni salads tend to have a little bit of sweetness to them. And I think they even add a little bit more mayo. But anyway, here's your classic deli macaroni salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.